How fast is the Tesla Model S Track Plaid versus a Nissan Nismo GTR and a Ninja H2R motorcycle on a half-mile airstrip? I'm SS Bob, and I'll answer that here on The Sound of Speed. What a gorgeous day here at Marion Municipal Airport in Marion, Indiana. We brought our Tesla here to race it against some of the fastest street-legal supercars and superbikes in the U.S. Our first race is against a 700 horsepower black Nismo GTR. Our Tesla Track Plaid is an EV that makes 1,020 horsepower, 1,050 foot-pounds of torque, and delivers that through all-wheel drive. It weighs about 4,700 pounds. The Nismo GTR with its mods generates 700 horsepower and over 500 foot-pounds of torque, delivering that through all-wheel drive. It weighs about 3,800 pounds. Now let's listen to the announcers and watch who gets to the half-mile finish line first.
A little bit. What's that?
I got this, speaking of fast and electric cars, maybe he got a full charge in it again, but he went 178 on his first pass, 179.2 on his second pass. That happened to be his fastest. And then Brandon Swan GTR, speaking of GTR, that's right up your...
It sure is.
Yeah. With a 161.3 with 700 horse, which that's about right, I think, for that car and that horsepower. So that's right in line. So Brandon's driving the wheels off of it. And
now, tell me, Jimmy, how do you feel about these EVs in the races?
Well, I like to race anything. So if it's got a steering wheel and some type of a motor, I'm a fan, me personally. But I'm an ICE motor guy. So for me, I like the sound. I would say that thing sounds like a spaceship, which is kind of cool.
It did sound like a spaceship.
And it's fast, so that's cool too. So I've got respect for that. It's not my personal favorite choice, but once again, I'll call it because I like it. And 179 miles an hour is definitely fast.
Our second race is against a 330 horsepower black Ninja H2R street legal race bike. As a reminder, our Tesla Track Plaid is an EV that makes 1,020 horsepower, 1,050 foot-pounds of torque, and delivers that through all-wheel drive. However, it weighs 4,700 pounds. So that's quite a power-to-weight difference than the bike. The bike is 998
Looks like we got another bike
cc's.
coming back against. I'm not sure why it's not my screen
approximately
there, but we've got a bike
476 pounds.
Looks like a Tesla, Jimmy.
I can't tell. I mean, good thing you're here because I'm unsupervised right now, and that gets scary.
Where's Phil? He needs to supervise.
Yeah, where did Phil go? We didn't even notice. Too many fun things to do. Where's Phil? I don't know. This is Dustin. He's looking for 200 anything on the bike. The way he went around that Tesla, he might have got it. We're waiting here for the mile an hour.
Wow, he was close.
Yeah, 196.9. Missed it by that much. Close, though. He's looking for 200, Brooke. He is. And then we got Bob here in the Tesla Model S. Just everything's been over 174 miles an hour, multiple passes. Crazy. 178.3 that time.